Poor man's Excalibur style mortar rack, part 4, update number 3, I do believe, and it is finished. Only thing that concerns me just a little bit is the fact that I decided to go above the tubes with the side rails. Of course, the shells are coming straight out, so I don't see where that should make any difference, but I'm not going to know until I test fire it. Came out real sturdy, not too awfully heavy. And I've got 7.5 inches center to center with these tubes, so with cannon fuse, visco fuse, slow fuse, whatever you choose to call it, I should easily have 15 seconds between shots, which takes care of the problem of having the mortars go off too soon from the last one. So it came out pretty nice. Lots of bracing, lots of screws, lots of glue. Everywhere I have wood touching wood, there is a copious amount of wood glue. There's Assistant Jimmy. Say hello, Assistant Jimmy.
Hello.
First time Assistant Jimmy's been introduced to the YouTube world. So, just thought we'd go around it. They're a little bit loose right there. I better tighten those screws up before the glue dries all the way. And there she is, my latest, greatest creation. All that length for 6 shots. If I go like this, maybe it'll stay upright. Either that or right now you're looking at a sideways mortar rack. Looks pretty good to me. I'll be back with part 5, update number 4, when we test fire it. Say see you later, Assistant Jimmy.
See you later.
Later.